Hey everybody, we're wrapping up section 2.2 today. We have 21 problems. We're doing the review for mastery and challenge practice problems today. We're talking about adding real numbers. So let's start. Section 2.2, this is the review for mastery. So exercises 1 through 6. Find the sum. For number 1, we have a negative and a positive number. 7 is greater than 3, so positive sign, then 7.1 minus 3.6 is 3.5. So plus 3.5 is the answer. Number 2, we have 5 and 9. 9 is greater, so minus. 9 minus 5.3 is 3.7. So minus 3.7. Number 3, we're adding up two negative numbers. So 0.2 plus 0.6 is 0.8. Number 4, we are adding up. Now we have two fractions. So the first fraction is over 2. So it's 3 wholes. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is 7 halves. And it's negative. Then we have plus, minus. This is 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So 2 wholes and 1/5 is 11/5. Now, the greatest common denominator is going to be 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So from 2 to get to 10, we multiplied it by 5. So we have to multiply 7 by 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. And this negative here, right? And then to get to 10, we multiplied 5 by 2. So we have to multiply 11 by 2. So that 11 times 2 is 22. So then there's a minus, so minus 22. Or this is minus 30, 40, 50, 57. So this is minus 57 over 10, or minus 5 wholes and 7 over 10. Okay. Number 5, we're adding up 11 and 8. That's 19. And minus 15. That's 4. 4 is the answer for 5. Number 6, we're adding up first the two negative numbers. So that's 8 plus 5 is 13, so minus 13. And then plus 6, or that is 13 is larger, so minus 13 minus 6 is 7. So minus 7 is the answer. Okay. Next, 7, 8, and 9. 7, identify the property being illustrated. So 9 plus minus x equals minus x plus 9. So this is the commutative property. 5 plus 5.1 plus minus 5.1 equals 0. That's the inverse property of addition. Number 9, 3 plus minus 2 in parentheses plus 1 equals 3 plus in parentheses minus 2 plus 1. This is the associative property of addition. Okay. Number 10. In example 3, suppose that the changes, so let's see. Okay. So in example 3, suppose that the changes in gas prices for week 4, so we have week 4 are minus $0.06 for company A and $0.07 for company B, and the changes in gas prices for week 5 are $0.04 for company A and minus 0.03 for company B. So this is what we have. And which company has the greater total change in gas prices? So for company A, if we add up these, we're gonna get minus 0.06 minus 0.04 is 0.02. That's the change for A, and the change for B would be, this one is larger, so plus 0.07 minus 0.03 is 0.04. So this number is greater than this because this is a negative number. So which company has greater total change? That's company B. And now the challenge practice problems. In exercises 1 through 4, identify the properties of addition used. So here we have minus x plus x, that's the inverse property of addition. And then here we can say a plus 0 equals a here, that's the identity property. So we have the inverse property and the identity property. Number 2, we have a plus b plus 0 equals b plus a. So this is the identity property, and as well as the commutative property. Identity property because any number plus 0 is the same number. That's the identity property. And then we have a plus b equals b plus a. That's the commutative property. Here we have on number 3, we have a plus minus a. That's 0. That's the inverse property. And then we have a plus, in parentheses, minus a plus b equals b. So we can say that's also the associative property. Number 4, we have a plus, in parentheses, b plus c equals c plus a plus b. That's the associative property. This also can be represented as a plus b plus c equals b plus c plus a as the commutative property. In exercises 5 through 8, simplify the expression, justify your steps. So here we have 3x and minus 3x, so they cancel out. We have a and minus a, they cancel out. So we just have b. So b is the answer for number 5. So b is the answer. Number 6, x plus a plus 3 minus x minus a. So a and minus a cancel out. X and minus x cancel out. So we just have 3. So this is b is for 5, 3 is for 6. For 7, we have x and minus x cancel out, plus y minus y cancel out, plus z and minus z cancel out, so we have 0. For 8, we have minus a and a cancel out, 7 plus 3 is 10, and then minus b. 10 minus b is the answer for 8. Number 9, simplify the expression. This is it's a long expression. If all the variables represent positive numbers, okay? So minus a and plus a cancel out, minus d and plus d cancel out, plus c and minus c cancel out, minus b and plus b cancel out, minus a and plus a cancel out, minus 1 and plus 1 cancel out, so 0. Simplify the expression, so 0 is what you get. Number 10, in exercise 9, so in this one, suppose all the variables represent negative numbers. Will the answer change? No. No, the answer doesn't change because the inverse property of addition works for any numbers, negative or positive. In exercise 9, suppose the variables represent both positive and negative numbers. Will the answer change? No. No, because as I said, the inverse property works for negative or positive numbers. So this was a very quick session today. We just finished section 2.2. And next video, we're going to start section 2.3. So thank you guys. Please like this video as well as subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. See you next time. Bye-bye.